Okay. Good morning, students. Photoshop. Photoshop. So first of all, we will quickly revise this chapter, and after that, we will solve the back exercise questions. Okay. Your book, beta, page number 57. Quickly open page number 57. So look at here now. No talking. Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe is the name of the company, and Photoshop is the name of the product. Initially, it was developed by Thomas Hahn in 1987, and at that time its name was Display Program. Clear? And this software is used by web developers, photographers. ठीक है, ये मैक्सिमम यूज करते हैं इनको. And this is basically used in making your images in websites. ठीक है, good printed book covers, newspapers, magazines, advertisement, इसमें हम यूज करते हैं. So there are some features of Photoshop. One minute more, beta. Adobe initially it was display program, but in 1990 it was introduced as a Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop 1.0. ठीक है, and after that Adobe 2.0, Adobe Photoshop 2.0. In your book there is a CS3, there is CS4, CC. ठीक है, present time Adobe Photoshop 2021. So there are different version of Photoshop. Now, online students, voice is audible. Okay, beta. Now there are different features of Adobe Photoshop. This is user friendly. Second one is it is a photo editing software. Third one is very powerful tool. किसी भी image की brightness को increase करना, decrease करना, color contrast करना, there are so different features are there. Image को crop करना, then you change the background. So many features are there. Next is create graphics for websites. We can also create there is a very you can say famous images that are animated images. ठीक है, animated images, for example arrow मूवमेंट हो रही है एरो में. ठीक है, कई आपने देखी होगी ऐसी, तो उसे हम कहते हैं जिफ फाइल. कौन सी फाइल्स कहते हैं? जिफ फाइल्स. ठीक है, तो जिफ फाइल्स में फोटोशॉप इज यूज्ड फॉर क्रिएटिंग दैट. नेक्स्ट इज हियर वी लेयर इफेक्ट्स. बेटा फोटोशॉप में क्या होता है कि देयर इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट पेज आफ्टर पेज. एक पेज के बाद दूसरा पेज, थर्ड पेज, फोर्थ पेज, डिफरेंट हम ट्रांसपेरेंट पेजेस यहाँ पे इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं लेयर में जाके. न्यू, तो इसे हम कहते हैं लेयर्स. ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट को क्या कहते हैं? लेयर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल इन वन ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट वी ड्रॉ रेक्टेंगल. दूसरी शीट के ऊपर मैंने एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दिया. अब मैंने आपको दिखाया था ना पेज में मिक्स हो जाते हैं, तो फोटोशॉप में नहीं होती क्योंकि वो डिफरेंट लेयर्स में होते हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे लेयर्स यूज करते हैं. वी कैन क्रिएट 3D आइकन्स. हम 3D आइकन्स भी बना सकते हैं. फीचर बेटा, ठीक है, शायद आपके पेपर में अगर होगा तो वी विल अप्लाई दिस. नेक्स्ट इज जो फोटोशॉप के देयर आर डिफरेंट components. Look at here components. This is your title bar. जो menus है हम text menu कहते हैं. कौन सा मेन्यू कहते हैं? text menu. ये जो आपके पास किसी भी टूल को सिलेक्ट करते हैं तो ये जो टूल्स आ रहे हैं नीचे की तरफ ऊपर ऑप्शंस आ रही हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड context menu. कौन से मेन्यू? context menu. This is your tool palette. ठीक है, तो और इस साइड में जो है दिस इज palettes. ठीक है, ये पैलेट्स हैं. ठीक है, और ये पैलेट्स फ्लोटिंग है. ठीक है, फ्लोटिंग. नेक्स्ट टाइम Now,
जो नीचे reaction tools ये भी palettes है।
हाँ ये palettes हैं, सारे palettes हैं, ठीक है. Next is now here is these are arrow buttons. Two arrow buttons are there ना. ये देखो मैंने जहाँ माउस कर रहा हूँ, छोटे से दो arrow buttons है. इसे कहते हैं expand dock. कौन सा क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Expand dock. इसको मैं क्लिक कर रहा हूँ, देखो इधर ये ऑप्शन चेंज होते हैं, ठीक है. आप इसको मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं, क्लोज भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. Now next is this is Photoshop 7.0 that was very famous, but now it is old version. But all these in all the versions there are little changes are there, okay. Now suppose I click on file, click on new, okay. This is your new dialog box. Here you can give the name of the file, you can give height and width in inches, in centimeters, in mm, in points, in pcs, in columns, different. But for your purpose, this is a picture inches and are more relevant. These are for professionals, okay. Now here is the resolution, but remember one thing: high resolution means more file memory, and more file memory. Your less resolution means file will be very lightweight, but clarity will be loose, okay. तो जो हमें नेट के लिए हमेशा remember one thing: we need less resolution. For printing purpose we need high resolution, okay students. Here there is a one arrow, a triangle, black color triangle is on every in almost all the tools. This indicate that this contain, yes, anybody, other options, okay. Right click on that, there are options are there, clear. And there are shortcut key for every tool. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ, एक ओपन कर रहा हूँ, एक इमेज ओपन कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है. मैंने इमेज ओपन कर ली. Now if I press यहाँ पे फाइल एंड ओपन, फाइल एंड ओपन, ठीक है बेटा. If I press M, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मार्क्यू टूल एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. If I press L, lesser tool will be, ठीक है. तो these are the shortcut keys. So if I there are different selection tools. Why selection tools are important? Because these are used for making this effects on a particular area, okay. If we are not using that, it means it will be applicable on any on a complete image, okay. Suppose I want to change the color of this text color. What I will do here, with the help of a magic tool, magic wand tool, magic wand will select the similar. But remember one thing, tolerance is there. What is tolerance? Sensitivity. It is a sensitivity of your color combinations, okay. Yes. Now here this is selected, ठीक है. तो आप इसके ऊपर कुछ, if you want to do any work, you can do here. Any doubt here? So now next is in your fill in the blanks, come to page number 66. Page number 66. Dash are animated images which are mostly used in web pages.
Graphics.
These are GIF files. GIF, G-I-F. Is it clear? This is given in also given in page number 57. There is a create graphics. In that there is we can also make animated graphic, GIF. Okay. So next is the first version of Photoshop was invented in 1987 and was named as display program. Next is Dash works like a artist paint box which hold all the drawing tools. This is a tool palette. ठीक है, this is a tool palette. Next is crop tool is used to select a dash that we want to focus and remove the unwanted parts, specified area. Some of the tools have tiny dash at the bottom right corner. Blank, here is which one? Black triangle. This indicates further options are there. Next is dash is a dash are floating dialog boxes, palettes. Next is dash tool create a blend between two colors. Blending means two colors means gradient. Next is dash tool is used to select a image. It is a selection tool. So remember one thing, in selection tools, there are some regular selection like triangle, ellipse. ठीक है, ये marquee tool है. But if you want to make irregular selections, lasso tool is there. ठीक है, जो आपके वहाँ magic wand है, वो भी आपके पास irregular करता है. ठीक है, regular means square, circle. This is regular shapes. ठीक है, irregular shapes कौन सी होगी? lasso में. Clear हो गया? Next is true false. Lasso tool is a bunch of 3 very useful tools.
True.
It is true. 3 tools are there. The palette well is present on the bottom right corner of Photoshop window. False. It is not in the bottom. Okay, it is in the right hand side. Next is marquee is a blinking selection border.
True.
True, because whenever we are selecting, look at here. In lasso tool or in a marquee tool, selection is displaying a dotted. There is a blinking selections. There are 3 types of selection tool.
False.
False. There are more than I think 4 or 5 tools, selection tools are there. So I am taking the name of these tools. Yes, Rohit. Here is Prabal. Yes, Prabal.
सर यस
Any doubt, beta?
सर मैंने आंसर देने के लिए हैंड रेज किया था.
The selection tools are marquee tool, lasso tool, quick selection, magic wand. So many selection tools are there, so that's why there is not only 3 tools. Next is there are Adobe Photoshop 1 was launched in 1990. It is true.
तो
Okay, so in 1987 it was not Adobe Photoshop, it was display program. Okay, next is there are some application based questions. Poonam is a wildlife photographer. In one of her animal photographs, she wants to focus only on lion in the pride and remove the rest. Which tool? It is a crop tool.
क्रॉप टूल.
Next is yes, sir. लेसो भी यूज हो सकता है, बट फॉर लेसो हमें सिलेक्शन करनी पड़ेगी इसके लिए. ठीक है, पर्टिकुलर सिर्फ उसके लिए. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे if you want to remove unwanted area, crop is a very simple tool. Quick way say you can do this. Next is Vidya has inserted an image of a penguin. She wants to select an irregular selection of an image.
Lasso tool.
It is lasso tool. Okay. Even the magic wand is also selecting irregular shapes. Na? Okay. So lasso is a particularly for that, but we can include also that is magic wand. Now there are some MCQs questions are there. Which is the latest version of Adobe Photoshop? But here is not given. Here is CS5, CC, and CS. It is CC. Okay. Who invented Photoshop? Yes. Which bar show the different options of the currently selected tools? Context menu. What is the default extension of Adobe Photoshop file? .pst. Which tool is used to remove the unwanted part of picture? Crop tool. Which key combination is used to deselect the selection? बेटा ये देखो selection is there. ये देखो ये selection हो गया हमारे पास है. ठीक है, तो अगर आपने इसको if you press control and D select हो जाएगा, ठीक है। Next is there are some questions. Which is Adobe Photoshop? So Adobe Photoshop is a product of Adobe System Company. Okay, it was in graphics. Okay, it is a graphic photo manipulation software. You can say it was introduced in 1987 with name. So you will briefly explain this, and also features of Adobe Photoshop. Yes, sir. Bani.
Sir, it is user-friendly photo editing or photo manipulation is listed within lesser time. Powerful tools are also available here.
Yes, sir. These are the different features of Adobe Photoshop. Next is explain the use of Magic Wand. So Magic Wand tool is online Prabal.
Yes, sir. Magic Wand tool can merge and make selection. Magic Wand tools can merge and make selections.
No, beta, it is again.
Sorry. It is used to automatically select the adjacent areas of the same color in an image.
Yes, beta. Okay. So here are
By
three
pressing W, we can use Magic Wand tool.
Yes. Here we have tolerance, anti-alias, and continuous. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है बेटा इसका? I have already discussed tolerance. I have discussed. ठीक है? Sensitivity of your color combinations are there. Anti-alias. It means if you select any selection and copy paste, तो आपको देखो अब I am inserting. Wait बेटा. I open one picture. ठीक है? I copy this. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखना बेटा इसको। ठीक है, आपने इसको कंट्रोल सी कर दो यहाँ पे। ठीक है, एक पिक्चर यहाँ पे आ गई। ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक और भी एक तरीका है कि अगर आप यहाँ पे ये मैं ऑप्शन आपको थोड़ी सी उसके अलग बता रहा हूँ फेदर के बारे में। ठीक है, इसको कॉपी किया, ये आपको फीचर वो चल नहीं रहा, तो एंटी लाइस यहाँ पे नहीं, एंटी लाइस में ना जो आपके तो एजेस होने थे ना वो स्मूथ होने थे, यहाँ पे वर्क नहीं कर रहा। मैं फिर से हाँ नहीं ना, हाईलाइट नहीं हो रहा बेटा, हाईलाइट नहीं हो रहा। ये देखो थोड़ा सा हल्का सा तो हुआ इसका, देखो फेदर तो कितना स्मूथनेस से ना आप शार्पनेस हटा सकते हो उसकी। वी कैन ब्लेंड द टू पिक्चर्स ये फेदर से। ठीक है, तो एंटी लाइस में भी आपके पास बॉर्डर्स शार्पनेस इट विल बी रिमूव्ड। ठीक है, कंटिन्यू जस्ट मींस इन ए कंटिन्यू फॉर्मेट। ठीक है, तो अगर आपके पास स्कैटर्ड एरियाज नहीं होंगे, अगर आप फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम सेलेक्टिंग द स्काई, okay, sky is in blue color and water is also in blue color. If I am using magic wand, both will be selected, but if I am clicking on contiguous means in continuous form, in one area will be selected in continuation. Okay, next is what do you understand by cropping?
Cropping means removing the unwanted area.
Yes, beta. Select a specific portion of the image and remove unwanted area. Difference between Marquee and lasso tool. Very important. Marquee tool is a regular selection, but your lasso tool is a irregular section. In Marquee tool, look at here. Different tools are rectangular, elliptical, single row, single column. But in lasso tool, there is a lasso tool, polygonal, and a magnetic lasso tool. Here, next. With this, your chapter is complete. So, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hands and put your queries. Yes, Peter. If you have any doubt, Anvay, if you have any doubt.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Peter.
सर एक बार क्विक सिलेक्शन टूल और मैजिक वैन टूल में डिफरेंस करा सकते हो, यूज करके दिखा सकते हो कि क्या मेन डिफरेंस होएगा?
Yes, Peter. Look at here. बेटा आप you can use your escape की किसी भी आपने टूल अगर एक्टिवेट है तो उसको सिलेक्शन को डीएक्टिवेट करने के लिए escape की भी यूज कर सकते हो बेटा. In your Marquee tool, your selections are in a regular format. यहाँ आप स्क्वायर बनेगा, ठीक है, यहाँ आपके पास सर्कल बन सकता है, ठीक है, ये सिंगल और सिंगल लाइन.
सर अगर हम ये पिक्चर लेते हैं, अगर जैसे कि ये पिक्चर है, अगर हमें ग्रेडियंट टूल को यूज करना है तो सर आपने पिक्चर भी आनी चाहिए, वो नहीं आती है.
एक मिनट. So first of all, select the your here is because your here picture is very complicated. Okay, in case your background is very smooth, take another one. Like this. यहाँ पे इसे ले लेते हैं. Look at here. You will have to select the background. Okay. One ही देख लो तो. Okay. Selection tool because color is it is solid color, so there will be no any problem in selection. After that, you can use gradient tool. Gradient tool, different type of gradients are there. Linear is there. Okay, different type of gradient is there. Then. But remember one thing, if text is selected, gradient will be applicable on text. This is the way you can apply gradient. And in lasso tool, you will have to select the area. Means it is a customized according to the user requirement. So now, okay, students. Now, suppose there is one image. Now, this is a next. We are going to discuss the next chapter, that is chapter number 7, more on Photoshop CS3. There are some more tools in Photoshop. There is a brush tool is there, eraser is there, pencil is there, okay? Color replacement tool is there. There is a blur tool is there, sharpen tool is there, okay? Shape tool is there. So many colors tools are here, okay? So we are going to discuss these tools. So here, in this, there is one tool that is called brush tool. If I click on this tool, in context menu, there is size, different options are given there. Here, look at here. Your diameter means size of your brush. ठीक है, नॉर्मल आप यूज करते हैं ब्रश या पेंट ब्रश भी हो सकते हैं, तो उसका साइज होता है. ठीक है, तो जितना डायमीटर होगा उतना you can change the its size. Then there is a different styles of brush. Sometimes there is a very sharp effects are there. Some here there is a very dull, you can say, mark is there. ठीक है, select dark one. ठीक है, so this is I change the background color is I want to take blue color. ठीक है, okay. I select black color. ठीक है, it's a dark blue. Look at here, very sharp. But if you select here, look at here, not exactly. Well, different styles are there. So these tools are there is also there are some options are there. Then there are different modes are there. Lenient burn tool, ये देखो कैसे चल रहा है. Different modes are there. Pin light, हल्का सा difference होगा, उसकी thickness में फर्क आ गया, उसकी width में. Different styles are there. Then opacity, जितनी ज्यादा आप कम कर दोगे उतनी ज्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंसी आ जाएगी. ठीक है, ये देखो हल्का सा मैंने इसको किया कलर इसका, वेट मैंने यहाँ पे पिन लाइट ले लिया. ठीक है, ये देखो इसको आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि हमने कलर किया है इसके ऊपर. तो इतनी शार्पनेस, इतनी अच्छे तरीके से आपके पास कलर चेंज हो जाएंगे इसके.
There's the hardness. See some
There is
hardness.
in mode,
Yes.
but there are different modes are there. Hard means it will be give a very sharp effects. यहाँ पे कहाँ पे आ रहा है ऊपर, डार्कन है, एक तो डार्कन है आपके पास,
So fill lighting.
लाइटन स्क्रीन, ये आपके टाइप डिफरेंट इफेक्ट्स, डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स. ठीक है, ये देखो आपके पास बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होगा. तो आप यहाँ पे ओपेसिटी मींस आपकी ट्रांसपेरेंसी आ गई. वाइट वो 100% मीन फुल, जितनी कम कर दोगे उतना ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट इज so in a brush tool there are two tools. The shortcut key is B. ठीक है, now here one is brush tool, second is pencil tool. So we know that pencil is just like your writing pencil. So if you want to write something, but again different your diameters, different styles. ठीक है, तो आपके पास डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स होंगे. जितना आप उसका डायमीटर ज्यादा ले लोगे उतना ज्यादा आपके पास उसकी साइज आ जाएगा. ठीक है, आप यू कैन रिड्यूस इट. Clear? So these are pencil tool. And in case if you have selected any area, you can deselect by using Control plus D and Escape key. You can use it. Now there is a one important tool is here. Here is a, if you want to undo, there is a which shortcut key is Control plus D. पर अगर आप चाहते हो कि इसमें ना स्टेप्स ज्यादा नहीं मिलते, बट इफ यू आर प्रेसिंग Alt plus Control plus Z या G, तो इट यू विल गो टू नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स बैक. ठीक है, Alt Control एंड G. लुक एट हियर, जितने स्टेप हैं सारे पीछे चले जाएंगे आप. क्लियर? So this is called which option? Step backward. step forward. ठीक है, in case of do and undo and redo. Here is okay, students. Here are some just I'm giving the you can summarize form. ये like chapter के पूरा बता रहा हूँ. In next week we will discuss this in detail. There is some burn tool is there. ठीक है, तो जहां पे भी आप इसको करोगे वहां पे डार्कनेस आ जाएगी. ये देखो इधर ओरिजिनल कलर खत्म नहीं होगा, कलर उसी फॉर्मेट में डार्क हो जाएगा आपके पास. एक दिस इज बर्न ट्रू. ठीक है, तो बर्न इफेक्ट होता है ना, डार्कनेस आ जाती है. तो आप देखो इधर जितना ज्यादा करते रहोगे उतना डार्क होता रहेगा. You will have to rub this. And interestingly, the image will not, the background will not be, you can say, damaged. Damage नहीं होगा यहाँ पे, image वैसी रहेगी, but darkness will be there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is your burn tool. ठीक है. There is another tool is there. Sharpen. Sharpen tool भी आपके पास here is a bit of in case your image you are want to change, make any changes,